What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you made it here today. So I'm back. I took about a month-long hiatus here while I had my baby. He's really cute. I love him. Check out my Instagram at Blonde Ambitious Blog if you want to see how adorable he is. He's featured in my stories daily. So he's super cute, and it's just been so much fun becoming a mom, watching my husband become a dad, and hanging out with my favorite little dude. Also, 100 Days of Makeup has started. So if you guys have been around these parts for the last 2 years, this is my 3rd annual 100 Days of Makeup. So I am doing 100 makeup looks from July 23rd all the way to October 31st. So we are into August now, which means we are a quarter of the way through with 100 Days of Makeup, and this is one of our looks here. So it's gonna be super fun. I have lots of fun Halloween looks planned and lots of fun fall looks and stuff like that. So be sure you're following on my Instagram and Facebook page as well at Blonde Ambitious Blog to get all the daily updates on my 100 Days of Makeup looks. And now this is the look that we're going to be doing today. I know the camera's really close to my face right now. I'm really sorry. But I wanted you guys to be able to see the eye look that I'm doing, and I didn't want to get up and zoom my camera in, so we're just close today. We're just getting close. So this eye look is a recreation by Julia Adams. So let me pull her picture up. She did this look. If you guys can see it, it was beautiful. I love it. She is so talented, so definitely go follow her. Her Instagram is Julia Adams MUA, and she's Canadian. She's so talented. Her YouTube channel is awesome, and I just fell in love with this bright look, and I didn't have the palette that she used, so I just used palettes that I had with similar colors, but I feel like I was able to recreate it super similarly, and I love it, and she's just really fun to watch. So definitely go subscribe to her channel and follow her on Instagram to see more of her amazing looks. And anyways, this is my recreation of that, and just wanted to play with color. I've been doing a lot of no makeup makeup days because of new baby, of course. I just haven't, had a lot of time to sit down and actually play with makeup lately over the last month, so this was a good way for me to just kind of get back into the swing of things. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look, and if you want to see how to recreate it, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting with the Laura Lee Party Animal palette in the shade Karaoke, which is this vibrant blue, and we're going to start packing that all over the lid. Except I kind of lied to you because that's not what we're gonna do. Alright, so actually to start, we're gonna go ahead and put a white eye primer down. This is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Freebase. And I'm using white because we're using these bright, vibrant colors, so I want them to really stand out. So I'm gonna use my Beauty Blender. Okay, and I'm not gonna set that, so now we're ready to go. And now we're gonna go in with Karaoke. And I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills little eyeshadow brush, tapping into that color, and then I'm just gonna start laying it down all over my lid. I'm going right up to my crease. Alright, so then I'm going to take a fan brush and just wipe away some of that fallout as we go. That way we don't end up with blue all over our face. Now I'm going to take just a little skinny brush from Urban Decay, this is the Make It 2 palette, and I'm just going to I don't have anything on this brush, and I'm just going to kind of buff out those edges just a little bit, and we're going to put a lot of other colors over this so it doesn't have to look perfect. I basically just don't want a harsh line where this blue is. Okay, so alright, so now that we have our blue base down, we can move on to our purple. So for our purple, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette in the shade Swag. And it's just a blue-based, purpley, kind of pinky shade. This is going to kind of be your transition color. So I'm getting it right there where that blue meets the crease. I'm actually kind of hating how this brush is blending, so I'm going to switch to a BH Cosmetics kind of fluffy blending brush. It's on the smaller side. I'm going to kind of tap back into that blue just a little bit, just kind of where those colors meet. That way there's not such a harsh line. Now I'm going to take another palette, the Pure palette in Wild Child, which is just that hot pink. And then I'm going to go back into the purple. Okay, I just wanted to test something off camera before I actually did it because it might have ruined it, but I didn't. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, the Prism palette in Obsidian, just their black shade, and I'm going to put it on my outer corner. So I did it on this eye already. So I'm just going to take a little dose of colors brush with like the tiniest amount of black and start blending that into my outer corner. And I'm really using just a really tiny shade because I really just want to darken these colors up. I don't want it to be like really harsh black. That's totally what that needed. So I just darkened up that outer corner just a little bit. And now we're going to go ahead and do an inner corner highlight and a brow bone highlight. Alright, so I'm going to be using a LK Cosmetics loose pigment in Snowflake. And I'm using a little pencil brush, putting that. Okay, so I'm pretty obsessed with how this is turning out. So now I'm going to pop on my lashes, and I'm using my Velour Sinful lashes. They're my favorite wispy lashes. And then I'll be right back to pop on my lip color. So, okay guys, so this is the final eye look. And now we're going to throw our lipstick on. I am using Nudestix Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm in Alley. I'm going just more nude on the lips because this is such a bright eye look. I'm just going to top it with a little bit of my Makeup Forever Lip Gloss in 104. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this video today and that it was helpful, that you learned something new and cool today. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments below, and I will be sure to get back to you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see next as well, because I'm back into the swing of filming after I have my baby, so now is the time to drop all your requests so we can get some of these fun bright looks in before the end of summer. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!